Hello, welcome to this course Systemverilog Simulation Regions. My name is Ajit Jose. I'm a VLSI design and verification engineer with more than 10 years of experience in the industry. This is a basic level course in Systemverilog teaching only the simulation regions. In the first session, you will learn about an abstract of a Systemverilog code. So here you will see how a general Systemverilog code will look like, what all are the components that you will see in any code, so that you will be able to correlate those codes to the simulation regions from the next session onwards. After that, you will learn in detail about the simulation regions, which is discussing the pre-point region, the active region sets which are active, reactive, NBR region, and the observed regions, reactive region sets which are reactive, re-reactive, and re-NBR regions, and the postponed region. What all are the purpose of introducing these regions in simulation and how they will be behaving in a simulation. By learning the simulation regions, you will come to know where an assertion code is getting executed in simulation, because there is an implicit region for assertions, but there are no regions specified for Systemverilog classes and functional coverage. So we will finally also see how a class and functional coverage code will be executed in which simulation region. Finally, in the last session, you will go through an example which is explaining Systemverilog simulation region. Here you will see a simple Systemverilog test bench and design code, and we will go how a simulator will execute this code in Systemverilog simulation. That means you will start from time 0 and you will advance by every time slot, and you will see what all code will execute in every time step in every time region, so that you will be able to get a clear idea about how simulation regions will be used in Systemverilog simulation by these EDA companies and simulators. This course will cover only Systemverilog simulation regions, and if you are interested in learning more about Systemverilog, there are different courses available. You can visit systemverilogacademy.com to know about more courses that is available in Udemy to learn Systemverilog. Thank you very much for your interest in this course. I hope this will be relevant for you and you will be learning a lot from this. And welcome to this course. Happy learning.